way better. I'm thinking about switching back to the truck. Sorry, you don't get the bucket. You're running buggy? Buggy stuff. Yeah. I'm sorry, what did you say? I'm thinking about switching back to the truck. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's more like a pancake. Yeah. I finally felt like I could. I didn't have confidence in it at first, and then I realized how hard I could actually push it without screwing up. And I don't know, maybe halfway through the race I started really hammering on it, and that's when it made the difference.
We missed the ball? Okay, so
yeah, because Cody caught me. I actually pulled away from him then after I started really hammering. He almost had me a lap down, and I got back up to where. Yeah, I was being conservative. As long as she doesn't Yeah. Well, that's what mine always did, so I couldn't really push it.
Have a Merry Christmas, guys. You too.
Stiffer on the front really worked.
Yeah.
On 4-dot buggies.
I might be a 5-dot.
Oh, really? Okay. Which might not be the bad way to go, too, but that just felt better than it has the whole time.
Alright, 2 seconds have been started.
Yeah, tiny bit of push is comfortable, yeah.
Yeah.
110. Fall.
I just wish I had my tire inserts. You're supposed to fall out of your seat, man.
This week was a long all the kids were acting. This is much I could have told you that. Or something.
Alright, get out, free to go.
Somebody's getting confidence with their stadium truck. Or, yeah, short course, I meant. I think it looks good. fucking awesome, dude. Go. I don't know.
Take that way better now.
Oh, dude, it looks fantastic. Watch when he goes down the steps now.
Yeah,
Plus, it looks like it's handling like crazy. He's not even like afraid to do it. He's just not grabbing it. Look at her. It does, but it looks predictable.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like smooth through the turn now. It's not changing. Yeah. Yeah, look. The steering looks fucking fantastic now, doesn't it?
It looks better than fucking.
Yeah, dude. It does. It looks amazing. I'm telling you. Yeah. Look at it. If he was driving it.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it.
It looks better. It's not rolling as much.
No, it's like so stable now.
Yeah.
Combos. Yeah, dude. I told you the left caster would probably help that.
Yeah.
I thought it would do exactly that, you know? Sometimes casters are good things, sometimes it's not. Yeah, I know. Look at it now. It looks fucking, look at that. It looks fucking beautiful. Yeah. You can push the shit out of that. That thing will just do everything now. Look at it. Look at it. I know. Yeah, I saw, dude. Yeah. Yep. No wonder he was struggling. Yeah.
Moved up one spot in the second overall. Hunter still